Good morning, eighth graders. Happy Friday. Obviously, I'm not here, so I'm just going to explain the two things you're going to be working on today. So the first thing is looking up different engineering info. So throughout GTT, 6th, 7th, and 8th grade, you've been exposed to different types of engineering activities. And so we're going to look more closely at a couple different engineering fields in Schoology. So there's two quizzes that you will complete on that. And then afterwards, the second half of class today, it's going to be watching a Bill Nye the Science Guy video, and there's a worksheet to complete with that. So for the engineering info that's on Schoology, I'll show you real quick. When you go to Schoology, you'll see there's a folder that says May 19th. So you'll click on that, and within that, there are the two folders of the two engineering fields that you're going to be looking at. So the first one is talking about water or wastewater engineering. You click on that folder, and you're going to see two things again. So the first thing is a link that's going to tell you or give you an article and information on what that job is. And then the second one is the quiz that you will take either while you're looking at it or afterwards. You can go back and answer these questions here. So when you go to the website, it's going to go over just basic information of what kind of education do you need, how much money do they make, what are the things that a water or wastewater engineer does. So skim through this information, try to understand what it is that they do, because there are many different types of engineering fields out there. And so as you're looking through this again, you would just flip back to that Schoology quiz and answer these questions here. So that's the first one. You would go back and do the same thing for the second one. So it's called College Students Medical Marvel. Once again, you have an article of information that you can read and skim through, and then the second one is there. So that's what you're doing for the first half of class. Read through this, and then answer the rest of those questions there. Enjoy today. When you come back next week, we'll continue working on the final project where you're building and doing the computer coding. So take care of business, and we will see you on Tuesday.